What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Here we are. Gonna shoot off some tannerite. It's about 6 pounds. I'm gonna shoot it with an AR. See what happens. More of these come. I love blowing stuff off. Take it out. Check it out. Here's the gun I'm gonna be using. It's a dpms Panther arms. It's got a Teco red dot. We're gonna light it up. I think that was a success. 6 pounds of tannerite later. Oh my God. Yeah. Ain't nothing left of this couch now. Oh yeah. Smells like shit. Well, that's all we got for today. Hope you enjoyed that. Like, share, subscribe. We got more all day, every day.